Good morning everyone, I hope you're all really well. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Jess. Nice to meet you. So today I have got a very exciting video for you. This is something that we have been planning for some time, and it is a huge overhaul of our utility room. So I'm going to spin you around and I'm going to show you the utility room as it is now. Forgive me, it's a bit of a dumping ground, to be honest. So yeah, I'm excited to see the changes that are going to happen, but yeah, I'll talk you through it all, and let's go have a look. So coming in to the utility room, like I said, is a little bit of a dumping ground, so excuse the mess. So we've got kind of a sink area and our very noisy boiler that drives me insane. And then we have this huge space around this side, which quite frankly is just such, it's just such a waste of space. We keep all our recycling there because we're too lazy to go outside. And it's got these really high ceilings in here. It just feels like it needs something, you know? Like at the moment, we've just got 3 tiny little cupboards that are overflowing, as you can see. All of them are overflowing, so I actually need to do a bit of a declutter of those and clear the worktops and stuff, and just get it a little bit more organized. But the plan is in here that we are going to be creating something similar to the image that I'm going to pop on the screen from Pinterest. So you'll see in that image that they've kind of got like some cabinets that go about here, and then another one that's about there, and then like a shelf and a rail to hang like shirts and stuff from. So we've measured it all out, and my stepdad and I are going to build some cabinetry out of MDF, and we're then going to paint it to match the colour of these cabinets. We're going to go get a colour match and then pop that up on that wall. So the plan is for this whole wall going all the way up, that is going to be tiled in those chevron tiles, and it will look a little bit like the picture that I will insert on the screen now. So as you can see as well on that picture, they have a shelf that goes across here. So I'm going to go and get myself a shelf today, actually, from the range. I find they have really good shelves. They cost like under £10, and they're just pine finish. They look pretty good. We actually have them over there in the kitchen. So I think they're fine. They do the job and they're pretty affordable. So I'm going to go get one of those, and then I'll be painting that and putting it above the sink. Tomorrow my younger brother is coming. He is a newly qualified electrician, and I get him to do all my handiwork. So he is coming to put some lights up above the shelf, so that's going to look fab as well. We're also going to be boxing in our boiler. I did order a box for it, but because of the way, like a proper box, but because of the way that it's situated on the wall, the box is going to overhang to past the washing machine. So I've had to cancel that, and we're now going to have to do a custom one, which is fine, no problem at all. So yeah, I've got a new light fitting going in. It's actually here in this box. Again, my brother is going to be installing that tomorrow. It's kind of like a multi-spotlight. I will show you more of that then. But yeah, it's just going to be really exciting to give this room a complete makeover, because boy oh boy does it need it. Hello everyone. So when I left you last, we were about to start this, and today we finally did. It is day 1 of the utility room makeover, and today my brother came to install these wall lights. Don't they look fab? Love them. And he ran the power off the main pendant light, so when we turn on at the wall, these will all light up together, which will be lovely. So yeah, that's day 1. We need to fill in the holes, and we've got another new light to go up on the ceiling. And then on Tuesday, my stepdad is coming to tile, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I'll come back then and show you him tiling. Good morning everyone. So we are back today. We are going to be putting up the tiles. To say my stepdad has come today to do that. So we're going to be laying these beautiful tiles here from the Stone Tile Company. They're going all across this back wall, which is really exciting. He doesn't think it will take him too long if they cut easily. So I'm confident they're going to do that. So hopefully by the end of the day, we'll have a complete wall that is tiled. Can't wait. So I will pop a time lapse on and you guys can watch him at work. The garden today, as it is quite a nice day. It's a little bit chilly, but it's nice, and I'm going to be painting the shelf that I bought to go up in the utility room. So this is just a kit from the range. It's only £7.99, it's a bit of a bargain, and you get all of the bits that you need, including like the, I don't know what you'd call these, the brackets and the fixings, and then the plank itself. Now I don't really particularly like this pine finish, so I'm going to be popping on some undercoat primer, and then also using this, which is a colour match of Farrow and Ball Purbeck stone, to give it a different look and feel. I then also got a roller, a little mini roller, as I find that gives the best finish, and a brush for the edges. So that is one of my jobs for this afternoon, so I'm going to crack on and do that now. I've finished putting the primer onto my shelf and onto the brackets, and I think that's all it's going to need really. It's a bit stuck where I've just painted it, but now my next job is to put this colour on it. So if I can open it with one hand, I don't think I can. One second. This is a colour match of Farrow and Ball Purbeck stone. I pretty much always get a colour match of Farrow and Ball colours, just because I actually find the consistency and coverage to be a lot better. I either get them from Valspar or Decorating Centre online, and yeah, I just find it to be very, very true to the original Farrow and Ball colour, and like I say, the coverage is just a little bit better. So this is just a normal matte paint. I didn't go for a wood paint or anything like that, so we'll see how it goes, but I have done this before and it normally turns out okay, so I'm just gonna pop that on now. Now that's one coat of coverage on there and it's looking pretty good. It's probably going to need two. I don't think I'd go more than two, maybe three, if I want a really good finish. But yeah, it's looking lovely. I love the colour. I love this colour so much. It's perfect for We are now at the end of week one. Unfortunately, the work has had to stop slightly because the people who were cutting the MDF to build the cabinets to go around here have caused us a delay, as they basically haven't cut them in time, despite me saying to them that we needed them by a certain day, etc. So we're going to hold off until Monday now and get that all done next week. But we've made really good progress this week. As you can see, all the tiles are now on the walls, and we've also got all the wiring done, so those lights are now up and I think they look beautiful. You also would have seen I painted the shelf, which is going to be going underneath them. So that's all done. I need to get a new light fitting to go up there, so I'm going to pop to Dunelm probably on Monday and get something for that. But yeah, that's all done. So we've just got like little things to do to finish that area. So we need to just fill in the holes and repaint the ceiling. I've also got all the paint for the walls, so I can crack on with that as well. Then these MDF sheets are going to be for the housing of the boiler. I think I may have mentioned before, but we've had an issue with the boiler cabinet that I ordered. It's basically too wide, and our boiler is situated in a weird position, so we're going to make our own, and it's going to be kind of a permanent fixture which you can then remove when someone is needing to access the boiler. So that's the plan there, and it'll cover that up and it'll look a lot nicer. So yeah, and then next week we're going to build all the cabinetry, and I've got a paint to match the cabinets in here, so that's going to look really lovely too, which I'm excited for. And then one of the last jobs will be just to have a clear out of all of the cupboards. So yeah, I thought I would just do you like a weekly update, just to keep you guys in the loop. So I hope you have enjoyed this part of the video, week 1, and I will hopefully next week have more to share with you. So stay tuned and keep a lookout for that update. But until then, please make sure that you stay safe and take care. There is just so much going on in the world at the moment. It's just really important that we are all kind to each other and look after our friends and families and just keep everyone nice and safe. So please do that, and I will see you again next week. Bye.